Greetings, listeners. This broadcast is brought to you today on a Saturday from my kitchen, where I normally watch cooking shows on PBS. Everything from Lydia's Italian Kitchen to America's Test Kitchen, where today it was all about baking rugelach. So these are some of the items that I use to cook in my kitchen. Yesterday I made matzo soup. Matzo balls are easy to make. It's a delicious soup during these cold weather months. If you're planning to go shopping for food and provisions today or soon, check to see that there are enough basics on hand. Everything from coffee, salt, and sugar to pie crusts, maybe some soup starters, herbs, milk, and eggs. Wishing you the best from my part of the world. Thank you for listening.